Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing interruptions. Close overlays and apps that can force the taskbar up. Open game mode and set your game to full screen or borderless windowed so Windows treats it as primary. Next, disable notifications and touch keyboard suggestions in settings because they can trigger the taskbar. Once done, check taskbar settings and enable automatically hide the taskbar to prep the OS. This combination reduces focus steals and tells Windows to keep the taskbar out of view while you launch the game. Now refine system behavior. Enable game mode and set focus, assist to priority or alarms only so incoming pop-ups don't reveal the taskbar. Lock the taskbar and turn off peek and thumbnail previews to prevent accidental highlights. For apps that persist in the tray, close, or uninstall them, they often request attention and pull the taskbar forward. If the taskbar still appears, restart Windows Explorer. It reloads shell state and often clears stuck UI elements. Make sure to relaunch the game after. Finish by choosing the display mode that works best. Use borderless windowed if full screen triggers Alt-Tab or multi-monitor taskbar issues. If system settings fail, consider a reputable utility to auto-hide the taskbar, but make sure it's well-reviewed and compatible. If the taskbar still reappears, restart Explorer or perform a clean boot to isolate interfering apps. One key troubleshooting tip: test after each change, reproduce the issue, then undo or adjust the last setting so you identify the exact cause and permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.